Well, hello, folks. It's the Crypto Lunatic with another brief market update, which, of course, is not financial advice, but it's based on me looking at a lot of data and watching a lot of content on crypto. And I just keep it brief and summarize it for those that don't want the long-winded version. So it's panic in the market. Panic. Trump's tariffs have tanked global markets. And everybody's fear. Fear is everywhere at the moment. A panic, loads of liquidations, lots of money lost. All of those people with leverage longs are regretting the moment that they put them on right now. And this is how market makers work, folks. They expect the unexpected with the markets. Even professional traders are learned to expect the unexpected. You never know what's coming. You never know what's coming, and of course, the trade war standoff between America and China is probably not going to help. But there's a few things that have maybe gone under the radar that people aren't really factoring in, and the markets haven't factored in yet. So here's a couple of key things. The first thing is that America under Biden was very crypto unfriendly, and Bitcoin still outperformed everything else, even with an unfriendly uh, government. And let's face it, with the US dollar as the global reserve currency, that's always significant. Trump is very pro crypto. Now we can talk about the global reserve currency as the dollar. Is that going to change over soon? Quite possibly, but at the moment it is. And Trump is crypto friendly. Really important thing. And also, the Department of Justice has just disbanded the unit that was set up to explore crypto and pretty much witch hunt different companies to work out whether we need to take them to court. So that's massive, and the market has not priced this in. There's another thing that you need to know, folks. Everything in the crypto market is to do with moving averages. And a lot of people will say about the 200 day moving average. But even more than that, the 365-day moving average very rarely touches that, very rarely touches it. But we are right on the cusp of it now, right on the cusp of it. Now, is is it a bear market? Is it a bull market? Well, the smart money indicates that we are ready for a bull market. Of course, it's not a guarantee, but the smart money is telling us that the institutional investors have been stacking Bitcoins. Bitcoin wallets have been on the increase. And people being liquidated, people that aren't from the crypto space have been taking their money out of stocks and shares and wondering where to put it. Now, a lot of people will be putting it in gold and silver. That tends to be where people go when this happens. And is Bitcoin digital gold? Is it? Well, it's still affected by the market, but it's still outperformed everything since its conception, bar nothing. Bar nothing, folks, bar nothing. And we're still relatively early in the adoption curve. At some stage, everything's going to pile into Bitcoin. This is what I believe. And that's when things are going to go parabolic. Now, is that about to happen? Who knows, folks? Could the market go down in the short term? Yes, it could. The recent uptrend yesterday, is that a relief rally or is it the start of a bull market? Could be either, folks. But when you zoom out in about 6 months' time and you look at this point, from a dollar cost average point of view, this will almost definitely be a great entry point based on the data that we can see at the moment. And there you go, my friends. There is a summary. So, could the market go down? Yes, it could. Could we be about to kick into a bull market that goes mad and parabolic? Yes, that's possible too. Is this a good entry point? I believe so. And all of the things that are happening that are good for crypto have not been priced into the market just yet. So hold firm, my friends, hold firm. Hodlers will win. Hodlers will win the day here because they'll just sit tight regardless what happens next. But that's my little tuppence worth. It seems like a good point from a dollar cost average perspective. And lots of crypto friendly news has gone under the radar and not been priced into the market just yet. And there, my friends, is my humble opinion, which of course is not financial advice. And if you want more of my little summaries, then do show the video a bit of love or show it the complete opposite. Leave a comment. say that you think what a load of rubbish it is. Either way, it helps me with the algorithm. So if you'll be so kind, then do like and subscribe, or dislike and subscribe, and or don't subscribe, dislike and don't subscribe. Either way, do something. That would be very helpful. And if you want more of my random ramblings, you will find just there.